On the previous questions, we were using the binomial theorem to list out multiple terms of a binomial expansion. However, they're not always going to ask us to list multiple terms. Sometimes they're going to ask us to list a specific term, and that's where these formulas come in. So if they're asking us to list the term that contains a to the r, we would use this formula. And if they are asking us to find the term that contains b to the r, we would use this formula. And the advantage to these formulas is that you don't need to list all of the previous terms to get to the term that you want. Number 16 says, find the term containing y to the 7th in the expansion of 3x minus y to the 15th. So because they're asking us to find the term containing y to the 7th, and y is the second value in the binomial, this means that we are going to use the second formula. So my a is 3x, my b is negative y, my n is 15, and my r is 7. So I want to plug that information into the formula, and that's going to look like this. And then I want to simplify, and this will be our final answer. So we do have a very large coefficient here, but notice this is the term that contains y to the 7th.